Folks, I just got a rather unpleasant surprise. I was holding my coffee cup like this, and I started to feel pain in this joint right here, right at the knuckle, like that knuckle, right? So this joint here cannot withstand this lateral deviation pressure that's coming from the weight of the coffee mug. I mean, look at the tendon. The tendon is fucking twisted. You can see the bone is like deviated down. See, there it is, deviated. And here's the same position with it normal. That's normal. And this is with the fucking bone being pried ulnarly, laterally, medially, right? That's pretty fucking gnarly, don't you think? Okay, so that's the unpleasant surprise is like, we should not, isn't that a great look for me? We should not be having pain in between our bones when we drink coffee, when we pick up an object like this. That's a sign I've been doing too much of this shit and not enough of this shit, you know? So what I'm gonna do is, here's a simple exercise that I know will work because I've used it before on myself. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna imagine that I'm putting my hand over something big like a basketball, like an enormous grapefruit pomelo thing, basketball, right? And with them spread out so I can get it around, I have to then lengthen through the joints to decompress the joints. So that joint will be stretched when I go like this. It's stretching the joint, right? Just stretch your fingers out as far as you can, have a hollow in the hand like you're gonna grab that basketball, and then you put all 5 fingers down on a surface, right? And you go the direction of the bones. So that's gonna be, I'm gonna apply pressure this way, right? So I'm gonna push this way, and I'm gonna do my best to make sure that the joints do not collapse. If the joints collapse, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pull, make sure that the joints are slightly flexed. I'll even go this way if I have to for a while with like a smaller grip. I'll go this way if I have to, just very light pressure until I'm convinced the joints are not collapsing, and then I can start to spread it out. But you can see like that joint's giving me some trouble, right? You can see that like, when I put weight in there, this joint looks really stable, right? And watch how this joint moves when I put it down. See, it automatically collapses. This joint is more up. Ah, shit. You can't see if I point the camera that way, I'm sorry. The middle finger joint is more up, and that ring finger problematic joint is more down. This is really... So why is this important? Well, there's 2 reasons. One, because it ain't right that we should have pain drinking coffee. That ain't right. And the second thing is, grip strength is a major predictor of quality of life as we age. I'm 51, gonna be 52 this year. So, you know, I'm headed that way, and I'm thinking about these things. Like, my grip needs to be strong, and I need to manipulate my VO2 and my heart rate, my, you know, whole body into my joints and my tendons and blood and everything, you know? So like when I see something like this, that I know like it shouldn't be there. This is not an overuse thing. This is not from overuse or from overload or trying, you know, going too hard. That's not what this is. This is from not doing enough exercise, not doing enough strenuous exercise in the right ways, and from like just working too much. It's like using my hands to type. That's what this is from. These are wake-up calls. I hope some of you will start noticing some of these things and start thinking about, should that be there? Should I have pain in that joint from that? I hope you start thinking about those things. All right, here's my call to action. You can come to one of my classes. I'm gonna have a spine class soon, and I'll be doing other types of classes. Like for hand strength, I'm gonna do one of those, and then also for like hips and shoulders and stuff like that. All right, feet. So you can come to one of those classes, or you can hire me for a one-on-one session. It's $333 by Zoom. It's more if you want to work in person, but we can work that out. Also, I have a limited number of sliding scale options. You message me on Instagram or send me an email. You can email me right now. You can email me at kimsooteacher@gmail.com. Yeah, that's a good one. kimsooteacher@gmail.com. Okay. I hope I got some of you guys thinking. I had fun doing this. I hope you had fun watching it. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.